So I'm all about improving gas mileage and stuff. I'm going to replace the EGR in hopes it'll help the gas mileage. This thing's advertised at roughly 30 miles a gallon on the highway, and I'm only getting about, I don't know, 25, 26. But you only got a couple hoses, one coming off that side, and then you got the one coming off right here. You got the hardware, obviously connected to your intake right here, and then your portion going to the exhaust. But be easy with these hoses. I'm warming it up a little bit to try to soften the hoses, especially that one over there. And then worst case scenario, I'll use like a hair dryer or something to further soften them, just to get them off so I don't break them, because I don't have replacements right now. That would kind of suck. So it's not as bad as what I thought it was. Just look at the picture and you'll see. Make sure you put the gasket on a new one right here on the intake portion. There wasn't a gasket on the other one. I removed the top hose. Just be careful. Like I said, make it warm. Just a pair of or something. And then, once I got everything off, then I removed the second line that goes to the side right here. So I'm going to put that right back on right before I do it. That left bolt was kind of a pain in the butt. I ended up having to get two extensions. I had one from the bottom. Well, that's good. Let's drop that. But going from the bottom side, point it up and get into it. Or you could use a baby 10 mil, which I didn't have a 10 mil, but I'm using 10 mil and the 12 mil. But now I'm just gonna put everything back together, turn it on. All right, it's back in. Yeah, good times. There was a gasket on the bottom right there where the exhaust manifold, exhaust pipe ran up to the EGR. Fell down and I found it. But so that's it. I'm gonna take it out for a ride and kind of see how it does.